Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the JavaScript. Today we are going to learn about the how to record audio and the video recorder using the JavaScript. So basically what we are trying to do over here, we will open the webcam and record its audio and the video. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share, comment on my video. Let's get started. So basically audio video recorder. So kill the port and just do the demo. Go live. So here you can see that we have first of all permissions, allow, and then the video will come. And here you can see that the video, audio and video, and here you can see that whatever I speak, it recorded. Let's do the start recording from here. So 1, 2, 3, start, and then stop recording, and it's downloaded. Let's view it. Okay, so here you can see that we have start the recording and download also. Okay, so let's dive into the code level how we have implemented this. Let me close this. Okay, so here we go with this one. So audio video recorder. Okay, so video, the same one, video ID we have to pass, and two buttons for the start and the stop. Okay, by default it is disabled, right? And here we are going to start with the button start recording, stop recording, and the video ID. Okay, next media order recording chunks function to start the recording. So this is the functions, and now we are making the recording chunks. Okay, start the recording, media recorder, new media recorder with the video element and the source object. Media recorder on data available, whenever it is available, then start the recording and push the recorded chunks into that one array. Okay, and media recorder on stop downloading recording. Whenever I do the stop recording, then downloading function will come and it downloads the recording into your local system. Media recorder dot start. If the media started, then start button is disabled and stop button is disabled false. Okay, so when we do the start, that means the stop button should be disabled to be false. Okay, if something goes wrong, it will go with the catch block, right? Function to stop the recording. So media recorder dot stop will help you to stop the recording, and start button will be disabled will be false, and the stop button disabled to be true. Okay, function to download the recording. So here you can see that new blob recorded chunks, type video webm. Okay, and create a object from the URL, create an element, and href URL recording web, append the append child, then a click, so automatically click and it's downloaded to your local drive. Okay, then documented remove child anchor tag, so we will remove that, and window URL revoke object URL. Okay, so here we have an event listener for start the recording. So start the recording, here we have event listener for stop the recording, and whenever there is a page load call, we will call the webcam to open and start the webcam. Okay, so assessing the default camera over here, navigator, media device, get user media, video true, audio true. So video recording is true, and if you want to do with the audio also, to make sure you have to send the audio to also video element object. So stream, if something goes wrong, that error assessing the webcam or microphone, call on the page load when the function loads, window dot onload page load, right? So done. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day, and don't forget to like, share, and comment on my video. Have a nice day.